Hey, it's Adele from Let's Get Inkie, and we're working in my traveller's notebook today. If you don't know what a traveller's notebook is, because I have had a few people comment on that before, it's basically a cover that has elastic strings inside it, and you can slip individual inserts, which are these little notebooks, in. And I only discovered them a couple of years ago, but they're really handy if you are like me and are often a little bit indecisive about journals, and sometimes you might start a journal and then decide you don't want to continue with that journal. A traveller's notebook's really handy because you can just take out that insert and slip in a new one, and you don't have to worry about abandoning an entire journal or an entire notebook. So they're quite handy if you want to get into journaling but you're not quite sure how you want to journal. So for today I'm doing a spread all about my mummy, because I found a couple of photos. I was printing photos for my scrapbook album, and I printed off a second copy of this black and white photo, which I love, which is us having a good old laugh. And I was going through some of my other extra duplicate photos, and I found this one on the right of my first day of kindergarten when I started school. And so I thought it would be cute to do a layout that had both of those photos on there, and just talk a little bit about my mum, because she's my best friend and we're very close. So I thought I would do one of these pages, and then in a couple of months' time I'll also do one for my dad. I don't want to leave out good old dad, and I've just got to find some photos, because I don't know, it's hard sometimes to get my parents to take photos, and so I've really got to search through and to find them. But my goal this year, and last year in particular, has been to use up my stash, because I don't know about you, but I have a lot of half-used sticker sheets, and they just seem to multiply. Like this one, this sticker sheet has only a handful of stickers left on it, and they drive me a bit batty. They really do. So I just want to use them up, and my traveller's notebook has been a really handy way to plonk them in and get them off my shelf, off my craft desk, and actually give them a purpose rather than just have them hanging around and collecting dust. So I'm going through, I've got various sticker sheets from Cocoa Vanilla, there's some crepe paper ones, there's some Pink Fresh Studio, and I'm just seeing what things work out. That daughter one was handy because I wouldn't, unless it was a photo of course of my mum and I, or now I've got little Violet, now I have a daughter, so I can use that for other things too. Aww. But before that it would only be if I was scrapbooking a photo of mum and I. So it's nice to give a bit of use to some of those stickers that we have in our stashes that have a rather specific theme, I guess you could say. Whereas it's easy to use something like a heart or a sweet thing, like that little sticker down the bottom, because they're a little more general. So I'm going through, and I was lucky in that I had used a black and white photo, and the photo on the right of my mum and I, the colours are quite muted apart from my bright blue school bag, but I think my mum had a pink and purpley floral dress on, and so I kind of went with that pinky purpley colour scheme for the rest of the page. I always look at my photos first and see if there's a main colour that's jumping out asking to be used on a page, and if there's not, like this page, there's not a dominant colour, I will just pick a colour scheme and go with there. And that's a great way how to, I guess, attack your sticker sheets, your half-used older stash, because sometimes it can be a bit overwhelming to have so many stickers in your collection, or ephemera pieces or washi tape, whatever you're using. And if you have a bit of a direction with a specific color palette to follow, it can make you look at your sticker sheets in a new way. So if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, maybe pick 1 or 2 colours to go with and just go through your sticker sheets and see what there is that matches, and you might be able to actually use some of your stash and give it a bit of purpose. So I'm just going through. Oh, if you can hear the squeaky chicken in the background, little Violet, my newborn, is sleeping next to me when I'm recording this, and she sounds like a squeaky door crossed with a cranky chicken when she's sleeping. So I do apologise for those noises, but that is my current situation of recording voiceovers with Bub around. So next, after I'd stuck down my photos, I stuck down all of my stickers, and then I decided I wanted a little bit of washi because I've been on a washi kick. I'm trying to get back into my washi, like I said in my last Journal With Me video, and it's easy to forget about. So I went through and grabbed these 2 and stuck them down. Well, that's a lie. I was going to say I haven't bought new washi for a while. I haven't bought too much new washi. I think I bought 2 little packs of washi because it's quite pricey here in Australia, and so I don't often pick it up because I don't use it enough, and so I am slightly sick of some of my washi tape designs just because I keep looking at the same ones over and over again. So it was nice to, I don't think I'd used that blue one. I think the first one I stuck down was a one by Ranger, and then the other one I think was from Washi Tape Australia, but I bought it a few years ago, I do believe. So then I'm doing some journaling in my good old Pilot G2, I've just had a mental blank, Pilot G207 black pen, which is the black pen that I use in everything, and it's my old faithful. So I'm just doing some little pockets of journaling about Mum, and just filling this page up with all sorts of happy little thoughts and memories that I have with the 2 of us. I'm an only child, and so I've always been really close with my parents, and I'm very lucky now that I only live 5 minutes away from them. And so I'm able to see them a lot, and they're able to see the kiddos, see Arch and Violet grow up, which is also nice. I decided, am I going to do sideways journaling here? No, I was tempted to. You saw that thought. I was thinking about whether it would work, but I think I decided against it because I've got this girl here from a Reset Girl sticker sheet, and because her arm was sticking out, the journaling would have been cut off halfway through, or I would have had to have written around her, and I think it may have looked a little too awkward. I do believe off camera I trace around the 2 besties, which I wrote with my Tombow dual brush marker, and I've been having a play with some other brush markers lately from Staedtler, and they've been very nice to work with. I've been working in a little quote junk journal traveler's notebook that I made over on Patreon, and I've become re-obsessed. Can you become re-obsessed with something? I've become re-obsessed with brush lettering, and it's something that I've been having a lot of fun just working on the couch, because it's a nice nighttime crafting activity where I don't need too many supplies, just a couple of pens and a book to write in, and I can just go crazy and feel like I've had a creative outlet for the day without making a huge mess in my craft room and making many a craft-a-lanch, which is what my desk currently looks like, and I'm currently procrastinating by editing videos instead of cleaning my desktop. It's always the way. So then a few little finishing touches here and there, and then this spread is almost done. So I'm almost finished this insert, and I will post a flip through here on YouTube once it's all done. I have a flip through for my first insert. If you are a new subscriber and you haven't seen that, I will try and remember to link it down below. But it's been fun using my Traveler's Notebook, and I look forward to continuing it on for volume 3, hopefully in the next couple of months. All right, peeps, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It helps my channel out. It helps new inklets discover it, and I will see you all very soon. Hope you have a great weekend. Bye.